everyone, I just want to show you how to use washing machines without water connections, because sometimes we have challenges of some other places where we stay. We don't have like a good connections for water, so sometimes it's a challenge. We end up not using the machine because of that. But now I just want to teach you to solve the problem, because washing machine, it helps us most of the time. Sometimes to wash a heavy washing with the hands is difficult. So I just want to teach you a very easy way to do it everywhere you are, like especially when you are using a front loader like this. As you can see, my front loader is Defy. As you can see, the pipes and the drainer pipe, as you can see. So firstly, what we have to do, you have to put your clothes. Let me show you so that you see it clearly, as I'm doing right now, like this. Let me load my washing so that I can start quickly. Yeah, like this. I'm helping my wife to wash, because sometimes she just come to work tired. Let me put my soap. Yeah. Sometimes you can use a funnel to put water here, or you can use something like a jar, so that you can't split the water, just to avoid to split the water. So this is when we put water, this is our inlet, because our pipe, this is the pipe that the original pipe that we use for tap. But now we are not gonna use this because we don't have connections. Now we put our pipe just there, then we're going to use this. As you can see, I put my soap right now. Then this is my suction pipe, the drain one, the one that drains, that suck water, that drains water out. As you can see, I did all my setup to start my machine. I did already plug. Make sure when you're using like a top loader, this don't put your machine on like a quick wash. Put on a long wash, so that it will spin long up until it drains the water. Because this method that we are using, it's a method that saves water, because the thing is not like the normal, the one that the pipe one. This thing, it saves water. So that's why we normally encourage people to use a long wash, so that when you put on a long wash, your clothes, it's gonna be wash up until it you drain the first wash, so that you save water. When you finish the first wash, if it's long, your clothes, it's better, your clothes are gonna be clean, rather than to use a short wash. Because when you use a short wash, most of the time when you use a short wash, it wash, I think it's wash, it put water in 3 times. So but when you use a long wash, it only need 2. Okay, let me do it. As you can see right now, I'm starting my machine. You can pause. I can. Yeah, as you can see, like right now I'm starting my wash now. This is my draining pipe now. It's sucking water. It's draining. It's sucking water from the machine to the jug. And as we'll just wait a bit up until it gives a sound, a clicking sound. You hear a sound that because now it's not yet ready putting water. Yes, like now it changed the sound now. This is my time to put water. As you can see, now I'm adding my water. I'm adding my water. I'm adding my water. I'm adding my water. I think it need like something like 25 liters to start the wash. You see, it will automatically start when you fill up 25 liters. It will start. This is a very easiest way to wash without any connection. As you can see, I'm busy adding my water now, because some other people they hesitate to buy machines because they don't have this water system connections. So I'm showing the easiest way to use your recycler. Yes, as you can see, it will be now from like right now. It was just like 30 minutes washing like this, non-stop. So what I want to show you, I think on my machine, this long wash, it takes something like an hour. But now I can see it's now 30 minutes, but my clothes are clean. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cancel the wash. Like here, what I'm doing right now, I'm going to put on. As you can see now, I put on drain now. I'm now draining. I'm now draining because I canceled the system now. Hello. Yes. I'm now draining now. Cancel the system. I'm now draining from the machine to the jug because I don't have a drain pipe. As you can see, come close. Camera, come closer. As you can see, my machine is draining. Yeah, make sure your pipe most of the time it have to stand on a right on a proper position so that it will drain well. Because if your pipe is not on a proper position, it's not gonna drain in a good way. Oh, right there. Sorry. Hold. So now I'm waiting for my clothes spin so that it will drain the whole water inside, all water inside, so that it will come dry. After drain this soap, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a clean water so that I'm gonna remove the soap, the final wash without soap, so that my clothes are gonna be finished. Now I drain the water now, as you can see, 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 as you can see. As you can see, as you can see, I want to drain the whole water inside so that I can put a new fresh water. As you can see, as you can see, my clothes are spinning. I'm waiting to put final clean water to pre. As you can see now, I'm doing a final wash now to clean up my clothes. The final, as you can see, as you can see, you can see. After this final wash, then dry it. So which means for this one load I use 20 liters, only 20 liters for the one load. This idea, it saves water. Why I said it saves water, you can reuse also the water that you use at the first time, especially if you have a lot of washing, you can reuse the water. As you can see now, I'm doing a final wash now. Doing a final wash. Doing a final wash now. Doing a final wash. Doing a final wash. Avoid to put too much water. Avoid to put too much water, because if you put too much water, even your drum is gonna be avoid to put too much water. Yeah. Now my water is in level now. As you can see, I'm doing the last cycle, then drain up, dry, and my clothes are ready to put on the line. So please, if you're helpful on this video, please subscribe. Don't forget to share, like, comment. Please, thank you for watching. God bless.